Hey everyone, today we're going to do this cyanotype kit. This is a craft where we're actually going to create something like a photograph using the sun. It comes with 6 of these sheets which have been pre-treated with cyanotype liquid. And this is a really nice artist quality paper. It's very sturdy and would be lovely framed. So I'm just going to set these aside. They're very sensitive to the sun and you don't want to take them out of the package until you're ready to use them. The other thing that I've collected here are items that I would like to have printed on my paper. So I've chosen items that have a really nice silhouette, anything that is going to leave a shadow on the paper. So this could be anything like plants, toys. And so I've chosen some sewing notions that I think will look really cool. The other thing that's very helpful to have is a tray. This could be a baking sheet. I've just got a little plastic tray here. Because you're going to be setting your items on your paper indoors and bringing it outside, this is really helpful to keep your items from rolling off the paper as you walk from inside to outside. Depending on the items you choose, if you have lightweight items that might blow away, you might consider bringing a piece of glass to put over top of it to keep them in place. So once you're ready, you can go ahead and start placing the items on your sheet the way you want them. So I'm just going to find a layout here that I like, and then it will be ready to take outside. Once you're outside with your piece, you want to make sure that you're in full sun and that you don't move any of your pieces, because the moment the sun touches it, it's already starting to develop that color. You're also going to want to make sure that you don't cast any of your own shadows on the paper, because then those will actually show up in your picture as well. I left mine out for 10 minutes, but you may need less or more time depending on how bright the sun is. So now that I'm inside, I'm taking all of the little bits off of the paper, and you can see that they've left this impression behind. But the real magic comes when we're going to rinse the cyanotype solution off of the paper. So you're supposed to rinse your paper for about 5 minutes. But you'll know that it's ready once the color starts to develop and you can see the white paper through your objects and the water starts to turn a little bit green. Now the last step is to let this dry. So you can either let it drip dry by clipping it up, or you can lay it on a towel. And here's the finished picture. So it's still a little bit wet, but you can see that the different objects left different shadows behind. So some of the items that were a lot more clear, like those plastic bobbins and the Wonder Clips, they let some of the light shine through them. Whereas some of the denser items, like the scissors and the measuring tape, blocked more of the light out. So you can have a lot of fun with choosing the different objects that you use. And this is a really great activity for kids or for creating a custom gift for somebody. I hope you give it a try and have fun.